Hi, Brandy Newton here with AR Workshop and Charmaine with Carolina Breast Friends, a two-time survivor. We're here today to tell you a little bit about our inaugural Blankets for Breast Cancer event next Wednesday night at 5:30 p.m. at Norfolk Hall. All proceeds are benefiting Carolina Breast Friends and the Pink House. We stopped by this morning because we wanted to really give you guys some information on what this foundation does for the community. So, Charmaine, can you just tell us a little bit about yourself, how you got involved, and what the Pink House does?
Okay, well, I'm Charmaine. I got involved by coming to Carolina Breast Friends, aka the Pink House, as a newly diagnosed survivor myself 6 years ago. So being here as a survivor helped me get through my journey. The organization provided me with support, love, and care. They also provided me with tools that I needed to get through my journey. So I attended a lot of the support groups, a lot of their programs, which covered nutrition, healthy eating, well-being, and just getting to know some of the other survivors. Along with that, I was paired up with a mentor, which the mentor actually walked the same journey that I walked. So with that, I knew I needed to give back. So once I got through my journey, I knew that this is a place where I needed to be to help encourage some of my other fellow Pink sisters. So I started volunteering, which we have a lot of volunteering opportunities as well. Then I became one of the mentors and followed by an employee. So this is what we do here. We provide a positive environment for breast cancer survivors, whether it's a man or a woman, no matter where they are in their journey. And once they come through these doors, we are here to love them and to assure them that we are here for them every step of the way.
Again, we're here at the Pink House. It's a beautiful space and we want all of you to be able to see it as well. So we're going to take you on a little tour.
Yes, follow me.
Okay, so this is such a beautiful space. I love it.
Thank you. Well, this space is our living room space. This is where the ladies will come and we do most of our support groups in here.
Okay.
We have a lot of discussions that go on here. A lot of the ladies come here in between appointments, between their doctors, and they sit here and, relax. They will come here and read a book. They will just come here just get a peace of mind before they go home. So this is our kitchen space. This is where the ladies will come after each program or during to have lunch, or if it's an evening program to have dinner. Also, this is where our healthy cooking class is taking place. Every first Wednesday of the month by one of our instructors who is also a breast cancer survivor. Her name is Laura Coleman. She's a professional chef as well.
Okay.
Fitness instructor.
Oh, there's Lynn. Hey, Lynn.
Hi, I'm so glad y'all are at the Pink House today.
Thank you for having
It makes
us.
such an impression to be able to see the place.
Yes, it definitely does.
It's just pretty ironic when you come in. Of course, our organization was started by a 32-year-old breast cancer survivor named Christie Evil. Her dream and her wish was to have a place where survivors could come, sit down with one another, and talk about their experience.
That's really incredible what you guys do here. I do have one question. Do you guys provide wigs or bras or anything like that?
We do. We actually do. We've got wigs, bras, prosthesis. We have head coverings, scarves, hats, all the different things you can imagine. And we love for women to come in, and we'll take them upstairs, and we've got a mirror and a whole room set up, and they can just try on the wigs.
That's awesome. And I also saw a yoga or training room.
Yes, we've got.
Will you take us upstairs?
Yes,
Awesome.
show you all of that.
Let's go.
This is our strength training room. We just finished a class this morning, and Tammy is a survivor that takes that class. And so I'm going to let her tell you a little bit about what goes on in this class and what she likes about it.
Yes, so we meet twice a week and we do specific exercises that are geared towards our specific needs, i.e. if we've had lymph nodes removed or just had a port removed or had a port put in, it's all specific to exactly what we need so that we don't do something that would compromise our health or our safety.
I saw Tammy when I first walked in and immediately loved her. I mean, look at the shirt. So we wanted her to talk about what they did in this room, which you just heard, but we also want to hear your story and a little bit about you and how you found Carolina Breast Friends.
Okay, so I was diagnosed last January, and on my way to meet with my surgeon, I stopped by the Pink House. And Charmaine was here to meet me and hug me and let me cry, and she just talked to me and encouraged me and gave me hope. and I've been coming here ever since. So I attend their cooking classes, I attend their strength training classes, I have done a yoga class, and anything else that they do, the Be You Beautiful classes, they're all very, very useful. And it's just a great source of encouragement for us. And so I just completed all of my treatment. I did chemotherapy, did radiation, again had my surgery last February, and now I am a survivor.
That's amazing. Thank you guys for watching. We hope you learned a lot about what Carolina Breast Friends is all about, the support they provide to the community. We do hope you'll join us next Wednesday, where you'll be making a Chucky Nut blanket at our inaugural Blankets for Breast Cancer event at Norfolk Hall in Charlotte. 5:30 p.m. It'll go till about 11. Your registration includes, again, a Chucky Nut blanket, one drink voucher, and some light bites from a couple of local Charlotte bakeries. We do hope you'll join us, and thank you all so much for everything today.
Thank you for being here, and thank you all.
Can't wait for Chucky